significance role. Now, the significance of the years as they pass is not to enjoy or celebrate that the new year has gone, but to contemplate and to look back and examine what we gained and what we lost during the last years. How many are left with us? So people say somebody is growing old. That is to say, his age is increasing. Well, in fact, the age is decreasing with the passage of years. So my attitude, which I also want to inculcate among Ahmadis, is simply this, that every year that passes, at the joint of 2 years, there is a time for contemplation and self-examination, introspection, and also the examination of all our children, family members, and others who are working under us, because we'll be answerable before Allah for all over whom we have some measure of control or influence. So every year I remind the Jamaat to go through that self-inspection and self-criticism and exploration of your own inner thoughts and things, and find out how far you have advanced in the direction of God or receded from that height which you had gained earlier. So that is the reason why we must look at the years as they pass by. Are we really gaining some distance with these milestones, with reference to these milestones, or we are losing whatever journey we had made earlier? So that is the most important thing, which must be born at the time of the joint of the years. The years as they pass, they in themselves mean nothing. Only they mean something in relation to the people who have gone through that period. And they are neither slow nor fast. It also is a matter of human perspective. Years, in some cases, pass so rapidly that a year goes and another comes, and another year comes and another goes, and so on and so forth. They seem moving bumper to bumper, like a crowded street, where cars stand or move bumper to bumper. But those who waste their time, for them the years just do not pass. Those who idle their time away, they have to wait for every day to begin and to end purposelessly. Then there are those who spend their days in pursuit of luxuries. Their time also moves faster, and their days end more quickly. But there are those who spend their time in occupation of good things, but they are not well versed or well acquainted with goodness, so goodness seems to be boring to them. So there are types which decide what sort of year has passed in relation to each person. Each person has different year. His speed is different, his purpose is different. The only thing which counts, as I have said already, and I repeat, is that how much distance you have gained in the direction of Allah before death overtakes you. So if we look at the years in this way, then the question of celebration never even strikes your mind. It's a question sometimes which depresses you, which bears heavily upon your heart. You think, oh, another year gone, and what have we done? So in this sense, a Urdu poet has said, "Afsos din bahar ke yun hi guzar gaye." Oh, woe that the days of spring have gone by in waste, without a purpose, without a benefit, without a gain.